और ब्रेक के बाद एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। बात है मुक्केबाजी की करें तो भारत की सफलतम महिला मुक्केबाज एमसी मैरी कॉम इन दिनों ओलंपिक्स के लिए क्वालिफाई करने की तैयारियों में जुटी हैं। उनकी तैयारियां कैसी चल रही हैं और इस बारे में उनसे खास बातचीत की हमारे संवाददाता तापस भट्टाचार्य ने।
I've got with me magnificent Mary, and who's all geared up for the Rio Olympics. She has her aim set on the Rio Olympics. Let's talk to her. Mary, first, congratulations that you won the gold in South Asian Games. Thorough performance. Your take on it?
Yes, we all know that we are Indian contingent. We are doing our best and giving a excellent performance. I'm so happy about giving the excellence performance. So we are keep doing to give our best performance.
You have said that your sights are set on the Rio Olympic gold. Like that is one thing that has been missing in your CV. So how is that gold medal so important for you?
Dreaming that to get a goal, want to give a gold medal for my country. Whatever I have a strain, I mean, giving effort, hard work. That's what to give a gold medal for my country actually. So I'm doing my best to give. First is the qualification, qualified, and after that. Let's see what I can do that. Yeah.
Well, talk about qualification. Do you think that not having a federation is impacting a lot, considering the fact that a lot of boxers are not getting international exposure, and that kind of hamper their preparation?
Yeah. If we talk about the federation is, we all know that what is going on, what is not going on. So. If I'm give the comment, if I'm talk about the federation, I'm not much happy because for me is I don't have any problem. It's not my problem actually. If I'm talk about for the youngster, they have the problem. They cannot cannot go up. They don't have a national. They don't have the international. There is so many international competition is coming up, but they can't. At least somehow they win. I mean, they represent, but they're not inside. I mean, they're not fully happy. They cannot flag off Indian flags. So that's the reason. Sometimes I feel very sad. What's happening after this much? We are level. So how still it's happening? Kind of the dirty things, the dirty politics is thing. So I don't want to be coming like that. I want to be in one make a good family. So this is my humble request to the committee to make as soon as possible the federation.
Is there any special need for some special training that Super Mary is about to do?
Yes. I have taken one of a young coach from Army, from ASI. From ASI, I have taken my personal coach from Army. His name is Sotelal Yadav. So he's a good. He also a good boxer for the past year. So I'm training under him. So whatever my weakness, my weakness in my strength, in my punches, I'm trying to improve myself, and he is a lot of supporting me.
Well, thank you so much, Super Mary, that you spoke to us. And here was Mary Kom talking to us about her preparation for the Rio Olympics, and she requests the federation to come together and help the boxer reach the goal of getting a medal in the Rio Games. This is Tapush Bhattacharya, DD News, Delhi.